Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. So this is the sketch that we are going to reproduce today. As always, we'll start with the new sketch, then select the circle command shown there. Then at the center point, we'll now sketch the circle. Zoom in to make sure that it fits by scrolling the wheel on your mouse. Here we make it a construction line because we want it to be our guide. Draw another construction line passing through the middle of the circle. So make sure that the side is constrained to the line you drawn. Okay, make another line across the circle. We as well make it a construction line and constrain it to the center. Okay, so there you have a fully defined sketch of our construction lines. So we just drag them around to make sure that they are fully constrained and that they do not move out of the center. And construct another circle from that point, rather from this point. Dimension it. See, when it turns black, it shows that it is fully dimensioned. And then make another circle, a larger circle, of course, like so. Yeah, we make sure that all the circles, construction circles, and the other circles are fully constrained. Okay. Here we want to create a mirror of our two circles. We select the objects we want to mirror. Here we have two circles. Then select our mirror line or center line. Then press OK. There we have it. Have our two mirrored under the mirror of the first circle. It's nice here. Then here we continue with the construction. Select now the circles from this point, similar circles. It's always nice to dimension your circle in construction so that you don't have a problem in the future or thereafter. Let's change that one to conform to that. Put another circle. It's fully constrained. Then we mirror this circle, select the circles, select our center line or mirror line, and here we go. Have our mirrored circles. Yeah. We now select the construction line. We make it coincident to the circles, but here we have to construct first. Then here we constrain them to make it coincident with the circle, or rather we make it tangent to the circle. This one as well. When it turns black, it shows that now the lines are fully constrained to the circles. Okay. Next, we take another circle from the center, dimension it to make a circle and dimension it to 120. Okay, and construct another circle there. And move around the circle, show that it is not constrained, so it can move around the construction area. And remove that constraint because it's now constraining to the construction line, which you don't want. And it should be free moving this construction area. So we constrain it to that circle. Also this one, making it a tangent on the two circles. And as well, construct another one there. And constrain it to that circle. So, and that one also constrained to that. Make sure that we bring it closer to where we want it to be constrained. Like so. Yes, so we have the two circles there fully constrained. And we cut off the unwanted parts or arcs, so they remain with what we want by using the cut feature. So this is what remains, which is looking nice and clean. And that's now complete for the other end by mirroring the two arcs. So select the center line there, and there we have a complete sketch. Yeah, that's the complete sketch. Yes. Now using the mirror command, it makes it easy for us to do most of our construction. Yes. Okay, so pick another side of the circle there. Like so. Okay. Now construct some lines there. It's eluding me here. Okay. Just select another line. So then we then select the pattern command. Need to make a pattern around the circle. So we select our pattern command, select the lines we want to pattern, select the center. We need 4 of them. So there we go. The best thing with patterning is that when you edit your original it transfers the edit to the other pattern objects. So here we make it symmetry. It is fully dimensioned. Then here we just need to cut off the unwanted parts. And our sketch will be complete. So we cut off that point, cut off that, cut off this one, cut off that. Okay. And cut off that one. Cut that. That one. That and that. Well. Next point is cut over that and this one, that and that, and the last part is cut off that and that, then finish off with the two last parts. There we go. That's our complete sketch, finished sketch. Review. This is a complete, exact replica of our sketch. Remember, if you are watching this video now and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe so that YouTube will automatically notify you when we upload another video. So one thing to remember is that there are so many ways of coming up with these sketches. So I need you to put some suggestions in the comment section so that we can come up, or rather come back with another simpler way of sketching this. Okay, always remember to save your files so that they don't get lost on your computer or cloud. So go there to the save command, give it a file name. When you start today, that is lesson 3, and then you have your file saved. Okay, bye for now. See you in lesson 4. Thank you.